Okay, so this is a Dixie Narco 5591. Um, the keypad on this beverage machine is not working. So what we're going to do is we're going to replace it. For that, you will need a socket which is 3/8. And what we're going to do is like, first than anything, we have to turn off the machine, unplug it. Okay, and we can unplug the keypad too. Okay, and there's going to be a few screws that we have to take, that we have to remove, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Because the keypad is right here, so the screws that belong to this face right here, and we're gonna have to like remove the screw so we can pull it forward and remove the keypad. So let's see. Let's start with this one right here. So there's one. Two, 3, 4. Fell right here. Yeah, 5 right here. This is a coin mag. Another one. Then we can remove these ones too. They are next to the it's the return coins. Better. And then yeah, another one right here. More. After this one, we just put everything on the ground all together. Okay, and one more. Okay, so once we do these, we can go ahead and close it. And these are the screws on the other side. So we just remove them. Okay. And this one too, it's not gonna remove the whole lock or anything, but this is gonna be able to, get the face loose. So in here, so we can see that you can remove, we're not going to be able to remove the whole thing, otherwise you will have to get rid of the lock. So we're just going to, make sure we got enough space to remove the keypad, which, let's see. Okay, this is the keypad, and this is the connection that we removed before. So you can see that the keypad is right here, and you can push it a little bit, and everything is gonna come out. Okay, this is the LED. So all the machines, so they get kind of like crispy and dry. Okay, so you can see that the keypad is right here. We can leave the these rubber buttons, we can leave it right there, because the only thing that we're going to replace is the keypad, which is damaged. So it's going to be this one right here. I don't see anything bad, but it's bad. So okay, so this one we're gonna replace it, and see, got another one. Look exactly the same, of course. Okay, we go ahead and replace it. Okay, there's 4 pins for the holes, which are 4, 1 on each corner, and then we just put it back. Okay, I don't want to pull the plastic face forward because I could break, and then I'm gonna end up buying that too. Okay, let's see. That one's good, good, good. And this, the wire, we just put it inside here, and it's gonna go to the other side. So, okay, so that's easy. Okay, make sure it's in place. Make sure this is in place, everything. So we start closing it slow. Okay, make sure everything is in place. Good. Okay, the keypad has to be well placed, so otherwise we could damage it. Get everything in place. Everything in place, okay. So now we just close it and we start putting back all the screws. Okay. 1, 2, or you know, like if you want anything to pull back, you can put 2 screws, and then make sure we put everything in place so it doesn't fall again. Make sure, like when you're doing this, hold the screw on the other side while we put the nut right there. And you gotta, if you are using a screwdriver, make sure you do it slowly because they're pretty strong. So let's see. So this one is right here. Since it doesn't fit my hand inside, I'm just gonna use it like that. Just put it on the socket, and then okay, make sure there, so that thing is not gonna fall. Okay, we just continue doing the same thing, which is a few screws. Okay. Make sure everything is in place. Okay, I'm gonna put this on too. Okay. So we do the same thing. The easiest thing is just, you know, you just put the right here, and then you just hold the screw so it doesn't push it. Okay. And this one. Okay, so just a few more. Okay, we got 1, 2, 3. Okay, this one is next. Okay, we hold the screw and then we. Okay, so let me move the camera a little bit so we can see how everything's working. Okay, so we're missing 1, 2, 3, 4 screws. Okay, so we just go ahead and put the next one. Okay, put the screw. It's gonna go through the other side right here, and then okay, you hold it on the other side. Okay. Okay, there's something wrong with this. Okay, so let's see. We do it one more time. Okay, let me move this a little bit to the side. And it's gonna be easier. It's right there. Okay, so we hold it. Well, let me try again. I think I dropped it and I didn't even see it. It was black one actually. Okay, we'll go ahead and put the other screw right here. And then, same step, just okay, hold the screw on the other side and, okay. So, and this one, and these two, I didn't remove the screws because I just, otherwise you will have to remove the whole lock, which is right here. Well, we just needed to move the face a little bit so we could remove the keypad. Okay, so we go ahead, hold the screw on the other side, same thing. Okay, and same thing in the bottom. Oh, never mind, the screw, it fell, so let's put it back real quick. Then we continue. Okay, so we're still missing one, two more, and we're done. Okay, so 2 more. So one is gonna be here, and then here. Okay, so let's see. So we hold it again and cool. Something got stuck over there. Put it back. Okay, so one more screw. Where is it? I think it was located. Oh, right here. Sorry. So we put the last one. Yeah, right there. So now I'm gonna go ahead and plug the keypad again, which is right here, the cable. Okay. It has to go all the way to the front, all the way to the right there, and then we use this little safety lock or whatever name you call it. Okay. And then we lock it so it's in place, and we're ready to turn it on. Okay, see any errors? Okay, it says okay right there. Solid, the light is solid, so that means okay. And then we close it. Keypad is working. Well, it's like half right. Let's see. A1, okay. A5. C6. So you can see that the keypad is working 100%, and yeah, that will be all. So how to replace the keypad on a Dixie Narco 5591. It's the bottle drop, or whatever they call it, drop beverages. So we are done with this one. So in this kind of machines, bottles, you buy something and you just drop it and then just get it out of one of those ports right there. So yeah. Okay, so this is all for today, and I'm gonna start putting a new credit card reader, telemeter. So I'm gonna record the next video so I can show you how to install it on this machine. Thank you. Have a nice day.